welcome back. Thanks for showing up and clicking and showing out and doing all those things you do. We got a package. Susan Color Curate cosmetics bag. This runs $20.95 monthly. Every month it's a limited edition makeup bag. That's why I haven't opened it up yet. This month it looks like, oh, wow, that is extremely green. And this is vegan and cruelty free. You always get a card included. The card looks exactly like the bag. And at the back, it gives you a list of everything included this month. So the bag runs $12. Jelly Pong Pong Plasma Palette. And it's in bubble wrap, which is always good. Oh, but it's cute packaging. And it's an ultra saturated eyeshadow palette. This runs $45. Maybe I'll be impressed. That's the package itself. Personally, I'm not a fan of the plastic packaging, but you know, the proof is in the pudding, as they say. Well, it has a mirror included. The colors aren't that vibrant. They do not look that good out here. That is a really nice color, though. Ooh, I was kind of not impressed, but then look. Ooh, it's like, nope, yes, nope, yes. Ooh, wow. Okay, I'm a little shook. Those are some impressive colors right there. Oh, interesting. Went in with the dark brown. You can barely see it. I don't even know if you can see it. Literally matches my skin tone. The purple, again, this did not show up. I don't know what is up with this palette. I had to use setting spray to get the little bit of color that you see on the edge. So I think I finally figured it out. So I put setting spray on the red and this is what it looks like. Without the setting spray, that's what it looks like. So setting spray, not setting spray. I went in with the gold just to finish it up and blend everything out. It's very understated, but really, really cool. The colors, it's like a metallic finish. The only problem I had is I had to actually add water to the brushes or put setting spray on the brushes to even like get the color to show up on my skin tone. Other than that, it's okay. I don't know if the $45 is worth it, but it is definitely an interesting, different palette. So, oh, I got a brush. And this is a shadow buffing brush. I've gotten a brush similar to this before, and I actually love it. But that's the brush. Ooh, look at that. Look at that twirl all the way down to purple. That is super cute. And this runs $22, which is a little bit intense for a brush. I'm glad you included it because I wouldn't have purchased it. So I put on some mascara, put on some eyeliner, Halo on High. And this is a luminizing powder, Candles and Kisses. This little mini runs $25. Very glowy. Texture is just like super creamy. I'm not mad at Candles and Kisses. Berry Gel Lip and Face Gloss. It is so small and cute. Look how cute that is. This runs $7.50. So it feels like, oh Jesus, oh Jesus. Well, it is very juicy, I guess. Holy cow, a lot. I did not expect that to happen. Like it just like gushed out. Doesn't taste like anything. It's decently thick, but look at how messy it is. I've never had a lip gloss this liquidy that didn't come with like an applicator. Well, it definitely makes me glossy. Yeah, I look glossy. Goodbye.